traffic outside, and it's time for Radical Rick, but it's also time for construction season. So if you hear some funny sounds, that's what that is. We have our safety glasses on. What's next?
We're going to talk about structures and the strength of structures. Now, sometimes, you can make something out of something like plywood or metal. If you want it stronger, of course, you're going to use metal. But the shape of the structure that you're building is sometimes just as important, if not more important, than the material that you're using.
Whether it's round or square?
Very good,
Okay.
very good. So here we've got a couple of pieces of cardstock paper. We've got a column made in a square shape and a column made in a round cylinder shape. Now, Kira, my granddaughter here, I had asked her before which one she thought was going to be stronger. And which one did you think?
The cylinder.
The cylinder, very good. And I want you guys to try this at home, and we'll get back to that in just a second here. But if we take a cylinder like this pop can here, and we're going to show...
Did you drink that for breakfast?
Not for breakfast, but yes, Mountain Dew is my favorite, so remember that. Okay, we're going to go ahead and set this down here, and I'm going to have you step up on that. Hold on to me. And now that pop can is actually strong enough to hold her up as long as the integrity of that cylinder is good. If I tap this here, you'll see now it has weakened that side of it, and it just collapsed. And that is why the cylinder is so strong, because the shape of the cylinder, all of the stresses are equally dispersed through that cylinder, whereas when you have a column here, you've got weak spots. All of the stresses are put onto the strength, the corners there where it's strongest, and that makes these parts
buckle.
So just to show how strong